This is a logo durable testing. Our product logo can be reserved for a long time. This is anti-fraud testing. Our product can bear 3 times dropping from 120 cm. After testing, this charger is still unwound. This is a fire prevention testing. This is a freight retardant material.